Julio. Today we're going to be introducing one of our favorite products in our entire catalog. This is the Veer stroller wagon. This is every dad's wish list, bucket list. This stroller is one of the most practical units, replacing that little red wagon, and here we are showing it with a Nuna Pippa infant car seat. I'm going to show a real practical world use on how to put this into the car, take it out, and how versatile it actually becomes. This is either push or pull, very, very simple to maneuver. Open your car door, release it from the base, kind of slide it in. The Nuna Pippa is only 5.5 pounds, we love it. Very simple to come back to the vehicle and get it ready to put into the car. This vehicle, in order to put this into the vehicle, you have to release your car seat adapter, which is very, very simple. Kind of place it in place here, and then everything else is really user-friendly. Attach this down, hold these two, and grab the handle, it comes down. When the handle's in place, it locks it into place, so it's very, very handy and easy to put into the vehicle. Close it up, you're ready to go. Our Veer Wagon is a versatile beach, boardwalk, paver, back of a pickup truck. Dads love it, moms enjoy it, it's spectacular. You can put a cooler, you can put beach chairs, you can put baby, you might even be able to put mom or dad inside of it. But it's also a double stroller, so it has a second seat. So if I open the vehicle up again, it has a second seat for a toddler, so it can become a double stroller. I pull this out, place it onto the ground, and do it in reverse. Slide this out, bring this up, lock it into place. But if you take a close look, it actually has two seats in here. These two seats, the toddlers eventually can face each other. They have canopies, they have accessories. It's a great, great unit. If you need the baby, you attach the car seat. If you don't, you're gonna go to the beach, you can just bring it along that way. We love our Veer Wagon.